Is Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every other cryptocurrency out there. But what does it all mean? How do they work? And should we invest in such cryptocurrencies now? Well, in this video, we are going to discuss what is cryptocurrency, how does it work, is it banned in India, and should you invest in it? So let's begin. So let us answer the most important question. What is cryptocurrency? Well, to simply put it, cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital asset or a digital currency that is used for buying goods and services. It is based on a technology called blockchain. Decentralized means that the central banks or any other financial institution do not have any control over these currencies. Hence, they are named decentralized. But why do we need a currency that is decentralized from the government? And the main reason for that is trust. If you take out any note from your wallet, let's say for example 500 rupees, you can see that it is written, मैं धारक को 500 रुपये अदा करने का वचन देता हूँ. And at the bottom there is the sign of the RBI governor. Without this line, the note is no longer a note but rather a piece of paper. This makes us clear that the RBI or any other financial institution has full control over the monetary policies. And this is exactly what Satoshi had in his mind. In 2008, he drafted the idea of cryptocurrency in his research paper named Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. But Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency in the world. There are many others like Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, Dogecoin, and over 4,000 more. Now that we know why cryptocurrency were invented, let's look at how it works. Suppose Dan wants to make 2 Bitcoin transactions to Alex's account. In the traditional banking system, it would be the banks involving and managing funds and keeping track of the balance of both their accounts. But in a cryptocurrency transaction, there is no third party involved, and instead it is direct peer-to-peer transaction. These list of transactions are stored in a decentralized ledger. You can call it a spreadsheet of transactions, and these are decentralized and shared by miners. Now, who are miners? Well, to put it, miners are the ones who verify the transaction by solving a complex maths puzzle. Miners don't take a pen and pencil to solve this, and instead, these are solved by computers. Their transaction is stored in a ledger, and in return, they get a small amount of Bitcoin as a compensation for their hard work. Now, every 2 minutes, the decentralized ledger is stored in a block, which makes it a block of transactions. And there are many blocks like this, and they are in a chain, hence the name blockchain. Is crypto banned in India? Well, what happened was, due to demonetizations, many fraud emerged, and RBI came to know about these frauds. So what RBI did was they sent a notice to banks that no bank will ever offer service to crypto exchanges. Later, the case went on to the Supreme Court, and finally, Supreme Court said that it's unconstitutional to do such thing. So, no, crypto is perfectly legal in India. Should you invest in such cryptocurrencies if it's legal in India? Well, your investing depends on your preference. Crypto market gives you a lot of return on investment, but it can also crash severely. So it all depends on your risk appetite. One example of huge return on investment is Bitcoin 11 years ago was 60 rupees, but now it is at 25 lakhs and its all-time high is around 50 lakhs. Dogecoin on April 2021 was 7 rupees, but now 23 rupees with all-time high of 57 rupees. This happened because tech giant Elon Musk, who is the one of CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, tweeted that Dogecoin is the people's crypto and many other tweets, which led to the price of Dogecoin skyrocketing. If you're wondering what decides cryptocurrency's price, then it basically depends on demand and supply. The greater the demand, the more the price, and the lesser the demand, the less the price. But don't get lost in this huge profit because the crypto market has also crashed at the time of recording this video. And big currencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum dropped severely. Bitcoin, which was at 40 lakhs, dropped to 25 lakhs. Ethereum, which was at 3 lakhs 20,000, dropped to 1 lakh 70,000. Dogecoin, which was at 35 rupees, dropped to 25 rupees. And many other dropped severely. This is the type that investors should prepare to face in crypto market. If you want to invest, where should you start? There are many exchanges in India that offer buying and selling of such cryptocurrencies. Namely, there is CoinSwitch, Cuba, WazirX, ZepPay, Binance, and many others. You can start trading Cuba and WazirX with just 100 rupees. There are also many other foreign exchanges that will provide same service like Hotbit, OKX, Coinbase, Bitmart, and many big exchanges. Comment how you like this video and like and subscribe to let others know about crypto and how they can be a millionaire with right investing. That's it for today. See you next time. Peace.